This is a quick video on how I do a rinseless maintenance wash on my ceramic coated vehicle, and as you can see, my car is very dirty, the dirtiest it has been since I did my coating. I've got 3 gallons of water in my bucket with 3 capfuls of Optimum No Rinse. I've got 1 gallon and 1 cap full in my pump sprayer. I'm using my pump sprayer as a pre-rinse. It's emulsifying and breaking down the dirt, and it's also adding lubrication to the paint so that when I go in for the contact wash, there is no chance of scratching or marring the paint. I like to use a pump sprayer because it gives me enough ONR to fully coat my vehicle in a pre-rinse, but there's also enough solution left over to rinse my tires when I get to that portion of the washing. Now I'm going in for my contact wash, and I'm using the big red sponge, and I'm just going back and forth across the paint in gentle motions. I'm letting the sponge and the ONR do all the work. After I do a panel, I rinse it off and then go back and do another panel. The key is just to keep it light and easy as you are washing. You can use the ONR to clean your tires, but I like to use a dedicated wheel cleaner, and Brake Buster is by far my favorite. I'm using it in the IK Foam Pro 2. I just like the way the foam sticks to the tires, but you can absolutely use a $4 trigger sprayer from Target or Walmart to get the job done. I'm using the Speedmaster wheel brush to clean the barrels of my wheels. I typically don't do this when I'm working in my garage because the wheels are the dirtiest part of my car and I don't want that residue on my garage floor, but I'm just showing you can clean as little or as much as you want when doing a rinseless wash. A leaf blower is a great tool for drying a coated car. I'm starting with my tires because I want to make sure that they are perfectly dry when I come back later and put on the tire dressing. I'm only removing about half of the water. The remaining ONR is actually a great drying aid for when you use your microfiber towel to dry off the body of the car. I'm using the Gauntlet drying towel from the Rag Company in a quick detailer. This one is specifically made for my coating and it's being used as a lubricant and a gloss enhancer. I recommend using whichever one is compatible with your coating, be it Beadmaker or G-Technics Quick Detailer. I sprayed my drying towel a few times and then I spray each panel about 3 times to make sure there is enough lubrication. I want this drying towel to glide across the paint surface and make sure that there is no chance of scratching or marring this paint. This should be effortless. I'm using Adam's graphene tire dressing. This is a new one for me and I really like the way it shines tires. But if you're looking for something a little bit more affordable, I sometimes use Chemical Guy's VRP, which works just as well. And here you have the finished product. I didn't have to break out the pressure washer or my hose, and my car is perfectly clean, and this process only took a little over 30 minutes.